Hello and welcome to Sherman Medical Supplies. Today we're going to be going over the all-new Journey Air Elite carbon fiber folding power chair. This is going to be the lightest power chair available on the market, weighing only 26 pounds. The Journey Air Elite is going to be one of the most compact and lightest power chairs available on the market. When we're ready to fold our Journey Air Elite, we have these two pull tabs in the back like a traditional wheelchair, which we'll bring down. We're then able to either remove or flip up our foot plates. And just like a traditional wheelchair, we'll grab the front and back of the seat, pull it up, push that fabric in, and bring it together. So to operate our Journey Air Elite, we have the joystick controller here, which can be placed on either the right hand or the left hand side. We have the power button here, which we're going to press to turn on the unit. We do have our horn button. And we also have our speed adjustment, so we're able to go from 1 notch all the way up to 5 notches. This unit does have a max speed of roughly 3 miles per hour, so it is on the slower side, but considering its lightweight and compact size, that is something to be aware of. Another feature that this does have is adjustable armrests. So these armrests will swing up and out of the way if you're someone that transfers to the side, or if you're someone that wants to get all the way up to a table, you're able to swing both of these armrests easily out the way and come all the way up fully to a table. Some other features that the unit does have is a heel strap. This is going to hold your feet to prevent them from sliding back and also keeps it away from that front wheel so it doesn't hit your foot while you're turning. Another feature would be that this unit does offer a seatbelt that is also adjustable. And in the back of the unit here, we do have an extra storage pouch. And the last feature would be these red notches here. If we ever run out of power or the unit is malfunctioning, you're able to pull these back and push it like a normal wheelchair. You will get some drag with the person's weight and the drag of the motors, which is normal, but it's to be used only in an emergency situation. The Journey Air Elite does offer a lithium battery, which is FAA approved for airline travel. This battery can be easily removed by pressing the trigger here and lifting up. And then this will go on the plane with you. It is rechargeable here and also underneath the joystick here if the battery is on board. You do also have a USB port both here and under the joystick. If you did want to charge a cell phone or electronic device, you have 2 different USB ports you can use. And the battery very easily just goes right back on. You just line it up properly, falls into slot, and then clicks in. You do have an emergency shut off here, so if you did want to shut the whole unit off so nobody could run it, you can turn it off and back on. On a full charge, the Journey Air Elite is going to get you a distance of about 9 miles, which will again vary depending on the user's weight and any hills or slopes that the unit's going on. We also do offer at Sherman Medical a lot of other options as far as folding power chairs. The Journey Air Elite is going to be the lightest, but we also do offer the Jazzy Carbon, the Journey Zoomer, and some Pride Go chairs and other things like the Go chair that disassemble into pieces instead of being one piece folding. Thank you guys for tuning into this in-depth demonstration on the all-new Journey Air Elite carbon fiber folding power chair. This is again the lightest folding power chair on the market, weighing only 26 pounds. It is a unit we keep here on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California, 91423. You can also call us for any questions regarding the unit at 818-981-9906 or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com.